Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the surface where the acrylic sticker will adhere. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth for best results. Wipe in one direction to remove oils, dust, and fingerprints from the material. Measure and mark the placement using a ruler and a removable pencil or painter tape. Use 1 to 2 light guide marks to center the sticker. Allow the surface to air dry fully for at least 5 minutes before applying the sticker. Peel the backing off the acrylic sticker slowly to avoid accidental curl. Align the sticker to your guide marks before any adhesive contacts the surface. Hold one edge and lay the sticker down gradually toward the opposite edge. Use a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in cloth to press from center outward. Apply firm, even pressure to bond the adhesive and expel air bubbles. Work slowly while keeping sticker edges aligned to prevent misplacement. After applying, trim any excess material carefully with a sharp blade and ruler. Smooth remaining small bubbles by warming the area gently with a hair dryer from a safe distance. Press bubbles outward with a squeegee as you apply mild heat to relax the adhesive. Avoid using strong solvents which can cloud or damage the acrylic surface. Clean the finished sticker gently using mild soap and water to maintain clarity. Inspect edges periodically and reapply pressure if the adhesion loosens over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.